Okay, so now we have find the volume of the shaded area. So this is like a toilet paper roll. It's a cylinder with a hole out of the middle. So first you go, what two shapes do I see? Well, I see a big cylinder and I see a small thin cylinder. Okay, so we need to find the volume of both ones. Okay, so let's look at cylinder. Volume. Volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Pi r squared h. Pi r squared h. Volume equals pi r squared h. Okay, and it says use 3.14, don't use your button, and it says round your answers to 2 decimal places. So that means after the point you have 2 numbers. Okay, volume is equal to 3.14 times, what's my radius of the big one? Well, the big one all the way across is 36, but I only want halfway across. So what's half of 36? That's equal to 18. So my radius here is 18. So halfway across from here to here of the big one is 18. So that's 18 squared times, what's h? Height. So the height is 60. Okay, so let's use our calculator. 3.14. Now remember, don't use your button here. They want you to use pi rounded. Because if I use my button, watch. It's using a more accurate version of pi. This is a rounded version of pi. So you'll get a different answer if you use your button, and you'll get the answer wrong because they're telling you don't use the button, use just the rounded version. So 3.14 times 18 squared times the height is 60. Ooh, there. 61,041. Now they want 2 numbers after the decimal place, and we only have 1 number. So I can write the 1 number, and if they want to, and if there's nothing there, just put a 0. And this is feet. Feet, and because we're doing volume, it's 3 feet cubed. So now we have to do our small, let's make it a little bigger so I can write on it. Our small cylinder, the thin one. Okay, I need the radius. So here it says use 3.14. The radius of the small one, where the whole thing here is 12. So I don't want the whole thing. The whole thing is 12. I only want half of that. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So here, halfway across is 6. So my radius is equal to 6. So 6 squared times h. H is my height. Now if you look, the height of this thin cylinder is the same height as the big cylinder. So the height is going to be 60 as well. Okay. So 3.14 times 6 squared times 60. Now you don't see the times here, but whenever you have letters, variables, numbers, anything stuck together like this, it really means there's a times in between each one. So 6,782.4. But they want 2 numbers, so I'm just going to put 0 after that. So now, to get this shape, my total volume, I'm going to take the big cylinder, subtract the small cylinder, and that's going to take the hole out of the center. So the big one is, uh-oh, I missed the number, because I said that was 61,000. Let me do that again. Times 18 squared times 60. What number did I miss? 610. I've missed the 1. See, it says 041. I missed the 1 here. 041. Okay, so here the big one is 61,000.6. Subtract 6,000. I don't need to put the zeros on. It's okay. So let's do this. 61041.6 minus 6,782.4. So 54,259.4. 1.2. Whew. 54,000. There we go. And, oh, I have to go feet, and it's volume, so it's a lotha. So you can see it right there. Okay.